Hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra. Today, I have an exciting video for you. We will be making an abstract wall art from the wooden dowels from Dollar Tree or Walmart. So let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to be using the wooden dowels to map out our design. This type of design is freestyle, so you can place the dowels as you see fit. So don't worry about it and have fun with it. It's gonna work out at the end. If this is your first time watching my videos, well, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. On my channel, I will be making videos on glam home decors, DIYs, and beauty. So if you're interested in those types of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do weekly uploads every Friday or Saturdays. So do make sure that you turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. For this project, I'm using the short wooden dowels from Dollar Tree as well as the longer ones. Once we finish mapping out our design, we are going to keep it in place by using hot glue. Hey lovelies, I'm just curious. Is there any particular part of the home you like to decorate? Whether it's gonna be a bedroom, the living room, the bathroom? Comment down below and share with others. For all my returning subscribers, thanks for watching. You can make this piece as big or small as you like, but I made it extra big so I could place it on the wall. Now I'm gonna add, for extra hold, wood glue, or you could use E6000 or 527 glue, a stronger glue to keep it more sturdy and in place. Okay, so I took it outside and spray painted a silver color. I've decided to use silver plastic straws from the Dollar Tree to add to my design. So once I finish placing the straws how I like it, I'm gonna hot glue it onto the frame. I've decided to add mirror tiles onto the frame to make it pop. And those mirror tiles, I got them from Hobby Lobby. To put the mirrors down, on the video I'm showing you that I'm using hot glue, but if you want a stronger hold, you're gonna need a stronger glue like E6000. I went ahead and add some glitter to the middle part of the wooden frame by using Mod Podge, some silver glitter, and mix them together and add it onto the frame. It's gonna give it a little bit of a shiny look. Of course, the glitter part is optional if you don't want the extra shininess. So far, if you enjoy watching the video, give me a like. So if you guys have any topic ideas that you would like me to try, let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, we're all done. Our abstract wall art is complete. I think it came out really nice. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, well comment down below, give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.